Okay, on number 15, this one wants the future value formula for simple interest, which is given to you right here. So I'm going to copy it down here so I can use my highlighters on it. Okay, you are given P, which is $1,800. That's going to go where that letter is. You are given the interest rate R at 8%, but you'll have to make that 0.08. And then you are given T, which is 5 years, and here is the T. And I want you to find the missing quantity. So our missing quantity is the A. We're solving for A, okay? So A is going to equal, put the 1,800 where the P is, 1 plus R is 8%, that's 0.08, and then you're going to multiply that times 5 years. Now, the calculators that we use in class are programmed to do order of operations. So if I punch it in exactly as I see it, with parentheses and all, and I hit my enter button correctly, I should get $2,520. Now, you invested, or they invested $1,800. I would expect to have an answer bigger than $1,800. If I put $1,800 in an account, all of that $1,800 better damn well be there when I come back, plus some more for them using my money to invest. All right, so that's number 15, and then 16 is under the same exact directions, except this time here's the same formula. Okay, they gave us A, that's right here. They gave us P, that's right here. And they gave us R, which is right there. The missing quantity is the letter T. I don't have a number for that, so I'm solving for T. So I'm going to put the 5580 where the A is, the 4500 where the P is, and then 1 plus. The R is 6%, that is 0.06, and then I don't know what T is, so I'm going to leave the T in there. Now, this is where your algebra skills come into play. And they're simple algebra skills like Algebra 1 in high school. There's actually 2 ways you can solve this for T. The first way is to use the distributive property. I've got a set of parentheses here, and if you want to distribute, so you get rid of them, it's the 4,500 on the outside. I would distribute that and multiply it times the 1. So when I take 4,500 times 1, that would be 4,500. Plus, if I take, use a different color, the 4,500 times the 0.06 T, that is going to give me $270 T. Actually, I probably should put the T in black since it's just kind of going along for the ride there. And then you still have this 5580 over here. And at this point, the parentheses are gone, but you need to solve for the T. The T is being multiplied onto a 270, and it also has this 4,500 being added to it. The next thing I would do would be to subtract off that 4,500, because 4,500 minus 4,500 is nothing. It's gone. But this is an equation, and there's something called the golden rule, which says what you do to one side of an equation, you must do to the other side. So I would have to subtract the 4,500 on the other side. And that would be 0 and 8 and 0. That'd be 10,080. And then on the right, I would just be left with the 270t. And I'm kind of out of room, so follow me up here. And now, since 270 times some number would equal the 1080, if I take the 1080 and divide it by the 270, that should give me the number that I am looking for. So 1080 divided by 270 comes out to be 4. And since t is time, my final answer should be 4 years. It would take 4 years for the 4,500 to grow to 5,580 at 6%. And this is just simple interest, so they just calculate it one time. And that's those two questions. So I think the next one, yes, the next one's compound interest. So I'll stop.